Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake. Today, we're checking out something that's more than just your average office printer, the Lexmark CX860dte laser multifunction printer. Now, this isn't a gadget you buy on a whim. This is for those of you who are running busy offices, need high-speed printing, or want a multifunction device that can keep up with demanding workflows. And if you're interested in picking one up, check the link in the description. So first, let's talk design. The CX860dte is built like a tank, which honestly makes sense because this thing is designed to handle thousands of pages per month. It's big, yes, but it doesn't feel unnecessarily clunky. There's a clean front panel with a touchscreen interface that's actually pretty responsive, and it makes navigation much simpler compared to older models. You can access copy, print, scan, and fax functions right from the home screen, which is nice because it streamlines a lot of those repetitive tasks. Now, performance. This printer is fast, really fast. Lexmark claims up to 50 pages per minute for color printing, and honestly, in my testing, it pretty much hits that mark. Even when dealing with high-resolution graphics or color-heavy documents, the speed doesn't take a big hit. That's huge if you're in an office setting where waiting around for prints is not an option. And the quality? Crisp, clear text, and vibrant colors that actually pop. For a laser printer, the color accuracy is really impressive. The CX860dte isn't just about speed, though, it's also about versatility. You've got dual trays that handle a variety of paper sizes and weights, plus a bypass tray for envelopes or specialty media. Scanning is handled through a fast single-pass duplex scanner, so you can scan both sides of a document in one go without flipping anything manually. And for offices that need workflow automation, Lexmark's software ecosystem is surprisingly robust. You can integrate it with document management systems, cloud storage, or even set up custom workflows right from the touchscreen. Let's talk connectivity because in 2025, printers need to be smart. This device has Ethernet and USB connectivity, but it also supports wireless printing. You can print directly from your smartphone or tablet using Lexmark's mobile print app or standard protocols like AirPrint. So whether you're at your desk or halfway across the office, you've got options. Security is another area where Lexmark shines. This printer supports user authentication, encrypted PDF scanning, and secure release printing. Basically, sensitive documents aren't just sitting in the output tray for anyone to grab, which is critical in today's world. One thing to note, though, is maintenance. Toner and drum replacements are straightforward but not exactly cheap. This is an investment printer. But considering the output quality, speed, and reliability, it's worth it if your office demands consistent performance. In short, the Lexmark CX860dte is a powerhouse for small to medium businesses. Fast, reliable, versatile, and secure, it's one of those devices that quietly keeps your office running without drawing attention to itself, which, honestly, is exactly what you want from a printer. If this looks like something that would fit into your workflow or office setup, the link to buy it is in the description below. Definitely check it out. And as always, thanks for hanging out with me. I'll catch you in the next one.